spoiled food vocabulary? Rotten, decayed, and no longer good to eat.
The banana is rotten, so I threw it away.
Moldy, covered with mold or fungus.
The bread became moldy after a week.
Overripe to ripe and beginning to spoil.
These bananas are overripe but still sweet.
Stale, no longer fresh, especially bread or crackers.
The cookies are stale and not crunchy anymore.
Sour, having an unpleasant acidic taste due to spoilage.
The milk smells sour.
Rancid, oil or fat has gone bad and smells unpleasant.
The butter tasted rancid.
Spoiled, no longer safe or pleasant to eat.
The food spoiled because it was left outside.
Expired, past its expiration date.
Don't drink this juice, it's expired.
Wilted, vegetables or leaves have become limp and dry.
The flour looks wilted.
Bruised, damaged from being dropped or hit.
The apple is bruised but still edible.
Fermented, changed by bacteria or yeast. Sometimes intentional, sometimes not.
The fruit juice fermented after being left open.
Contaminated, made unsafe by harmful substances or germs.
The food was contaminated and had to be discarded.
Slimy, covered with a slippery, unpleasant substance.
The old meat felt slimy.
Curdled, liquid dairy has separated into lumps.
The milk curdled in the hot weather.
Mushy, too soft from being overripe or overcooked.
The strawberries became mushy.